So I'm just going to draw over this drawing here. So I'm just going to click on here. Okay, so I'm going to draw around the shape. I could. So you can see it lights up. So obviously I've drawn it in enclosed shape. We're going to be drawing this building as a section, so we're going to have to learn some terminology here. But before we do that, I'm just going to use the offset button, the ruler command. Is it called the ruler command? It is called the measuring tape command here. I'm going to put some thicknesses in here. So this first measurement, I'm going to put in 20 millimeters. And it's going to be the corrugated iron that's going to go on the structure. Do the same on the other side. Then I'm going to put the corrugated iron, or the roofing material, is put onto a horizontal length of timber, and that's called a purlin. And it's 50 mil thick, so I'm going to put a line off here 50 and do the same on the other side. Now this will make more sense when we get it fully drawn. And then we're going to have the rafter. And I'm going to have the rafter, which is 125 and 125. Through the middle, we've got what's called the ridge board. So I'm going to attach, just place a line here and offset that. It's not showing, I'm just going to click on again, offset this line here. It's not going to come up and show me, so I'll just try something else for that. I'm going to come over, it's 25 thick, so if I go 12.5 on that side, draw up to the top here, come across, down and across. Okay, so that's called my ridge board, and that should be a little bit lower than that. So that's the board that runs through the centre of the actual drawing. Sean? Okay, so normally about 200, it should be a little bit longer than that, but I'll just keep on going. So at the side here is called the fascia board. So that's going to be 25 as well. 25, enter. And I'm going to use the rectangle tool here and just draw in that fascia board. And that should be about 200 long. Come down to about 200 there. So 200, comma 25, enter. Okay, so that's the fascia board. And my rafter is going to come down and up and touch that board there. So I'll just draw this in now. There's the rafter.
Sir, can I have a knife? Just for Michael.
Here's a rafter, and I'm going to draw in some purlins now. So the purlins are the pieces of wood that we nail the sheeting iron onto. I'll just draw that in as well.
Is this the section you done?
That's right, but we're going to put this into 3D. So we're going to put those details into 3D. Now, here I'd have the purlin. So we're going to draw that in. down 50. And it should be hopefully perpendicular. On the edge there. That one's not perpendicular. There we go. And I'm going to place a cross through this just to show that it's actually a section piece of timber. So we've got our our ridge board, our rafter, our purlin, and come down another 300 to put your other purlin here. When we've got those sorts of things on there, we can then start to show our section. So the detail of our section of our roof. So draw the same details on the other side.